Hello students, welcome to maths class. We are dealing with the areas, right? So in these areas they will give one curve equation to you and show that area covered by this curve. Okay, so now come to this question. This is most repeated 7 marks question. So show that the area of the region bounded by, if you see, it is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is ellipse equation, right? We have to find the area covered by the ellipse, right? Is pi AB. We have to show that the area covered by ellipse is pi AB. So that means it differs from this A and B values. According to the shape, A and B will be different, right? This is your A and this length is B, this length is your A, right? So we can write this as A dash, right? So this is B dash. Okay, so I also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, so why I filled only this area, why I am showing only this area means if a ellipse is a symmetrical diagram, it is a symmetrical diagram. So that means the area covered with respect to x and y will be equal. So if you observe, this ellipse can be divided into 4 equal parts, isn't it? So we can find this area and 4 times of this area is nothing but area of the ellipse. Since your ellipse is a symmetrical diagram, area covered by ellipse, right? This area covered by ellipse is, if we find this area, 4 times of this area is nothing but area covered by the ellipse. Okay, so come on, first what is the given ellipse equation? So solution, the curve equation is, here the curve is ellipse, right? So equation of ellipse is what is that? It is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, and it is a symmetrical curve. So I will take only the area of this curve from this one is nothing but x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, right? We will take x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. So if we draw the line here, okay, so this line is x is equal to 0 and this line is x is equal to a. X is equal to 0 means y axis, right? And x is equal to a. So the area covered by this one x axis, right? And x is equal to 0, x is equal to a. Okay, so 4 times of that area is your area of the ellipse. Here it is given that area of the ellipse. Show that the area of the ellipse is pi AB. Area equation is given to you. Okay, so come on, it is symmetrical curve. It is symmetrical curve. Symmetrical curve. Okay, so it occupies the same area above the x axis, below the x axis, right hand side of y axis, left hand side of y axis. Now try to get your curve equation. So y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square is equal to a square is the LCM, a square minus x square. So next y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. So we have to find y value. Y is equal to root of b square by a square into a square minus x square. So what is your y value? Y is equal to b by a root of a square minus x square. Okay, so this is the curve equation. Generally what I said while solving the previous problems also, always in areas, curve means we will take y is equal to some curve equation. So that's why here also try to get your y value is the required curve, is the required curve equation. Okay, so now we have to find area of ellipse. Area of ellipse we have to find is equal to 4 times of, okay, this curve from here to here. Okay, so it is integral x is equal to, this one is x is equal to 0, this one is x is equal to a. So you take 0 to a. Okay, so then it is b by a, curve equation, root of a square minus x square dx. Okay, so this can be written as 4b by a, constant, that's why writing outside, and integral a square minus x square value is x into root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Okay, so the roots are 0 to a. Okay, the roots are 0 to a. So come on, how we can take this value is 4b by a. Okay, so first you substitute your upper limit. Upper limit is a in this equation. So it is a into root of a square minus a square by 2 plus a square by 2, okay, into sine inverse of a by a. Okay, so next minus of limit is 0, 0 into root of a square minus 0 square by 2, okay, plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of, come on, a by a. Okay, so this is the, after substitution we are getting in the given, in the derived function, wherever x is there, right, there first we have to substitute the upper limit, then minus in the derived function wherever x is there, there we have to substitute lower limit. Okay, so is equal to, it is 4b by a, come on, this is 0, right, so a square minus a square 0, 0 into a by 2 0, right, so a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1 minus 0 into something is 0 minus a square by 2 sine inverse of, what is that, 0 we have to substitute in x place, we have to substitute, this is 0, right, so sine inverse 0 by anything is 0. Okay, so is equal to 4b by a into a square by 2 sine inverse of 1, how we can write, sine 90, right, it is sine pi by 2. Okay, next minus a square by 2 sine inverse of, come on, sine 0 we can write, what I said, sine inverse, tan inverse of some value is there, try to write in terms of that particular, sine inverse means try to write in terms of sine only, sine inverse sine will get cancels. Okay, so is equal to 4b by a into a square by 2, right, into, what is this, sine inverse sine cancel, it is pi by 2 minus a square by 2 sine inverse sine cancel into 0. So is equal to, what happens here, 2 2 4 cancel, 1a cancel, so it is b a pi minus 0 is equal to pi a b. So first question, First one, show that actually in this question 2 bits are there. First bit is show that the area of the region bounded by this curve is equal to pi AB, right. Also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, so how we got this area? We have taken only this area and it is symmetrical curve. So total area of the ellipse is 4 times of that area we can take. Okay, so come on, how we can take y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. A square is the LCM, so a square minus x square. So y square is equal to this one, y is equal to root of this. So you will get your required curve equation. Okay, so that curve area we have to find, but here I have taken that curve from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a on the x axis we have taken. So 4 times of that area is nothing but the entire area of the ellipse. Okay, why? It is a symmetrical diagram, right. So area is equal to, what is that? It is pi AB. After that, also deduce that area of the circle is equal to x square plus y square is equal to a square. That means we have to get x square plus y square is equal to a square circle equation from the ellipse equation. How? If b is equal to a in x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, then what happens? The ellipse equation is x square by a square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Okay, so it is nothing but x square plus y square is equal to a square. Is a circle equation, right. You know it very well. Is a circle equation. Okay, so then we have to find area, right. So area of circle is equal to, in the area of our ellipse, wherever b is there, there we have to substitute a, then we will get area of the circle. So it is C, in the ellipse equation where b is there, there I substituted a, right. Therefore I got x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, so we have to find area of the circle, that is nothing but the circle equation. We have to find area of the circle. So how we will find? In the area of the ellipse, wherever b is there, you substitute a, right. So it is pi into a is equal to pi a square units. Here also area, no. So area is equal to, how we will write? Pi AB square units. Okay, so that is the thing. So come on, how we got this equation? Means first show that the area bounded by the one equation is given to you. Just by seeing that equation, you will know that it is ellipse equation. So we have to find the area covered by the ellipse. So how we will find? So here ellipse is a symmetrical curve. So the area covered above the x-axis, below the x-axis, right side y-axis, left side y-axis will be same. So I have taken only one part. It can be divided into 4 equal parts with our x and y-axis. So you take one part. So same area will be here, same area will be here, same area will be here. So if I find the area of this part, 4 times of that area is called nothing but area of the ellipse. Okay. So area of the ellipse we can find by taking 4 times of that area covered by that curve, and x is equal to 0, right. X is equal to 0, x is equal to a, and the x-axis. Okay, so that's why first what is the given curve equation, ellipse equation is this one. With that you get your y value. Why we have to get y value means always in these areas I said curve means y value. Okay, so come on, it is y square by b square is equal to, send x square by a square that side, y square by b square is equal to, if you send x square by a square that side, 1 minus x square by a square. Take a square as the LCM, then it is a square minus x square. Then you send b square, right? So it is b square by a square is equal to a square minus x square. Okay, so we want curve means only y equation. Y is equal to something is called curve always in solving our areas. Okay, so that's why we need y. So taking square root on both sides, then y is equal to this one. Now again taking square root separately for b square, separately for a square, and separately for this. So square root cancel, square root cancel. So it is b by a root of a square minus x square is the required curve equation. Now you find area of ellipse. Area of the ellipse is equal to 4 times of 0 to a, b by a root of this one. So b by a is a constant, so write outside, and integral, right, here only we can write this as 4b by a integral 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx we can write. So root of a square minus x square, integral root of a square minus x square formula is this one. What is that? X into root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a, and the roots are 0 to a are the roots. So in this derived function, wherever x is there you substitute the upper limit, wherever x is there you substitute your lower limit. Okay, so upper limit, lower limit substituted, then we got the area is equal to pi AB. Okay, so area units are square units we have to write. So we got area of the ellipse. First show that the area covered by, that means that equation is nothing but ellipse is pi AB. So here suppose different shape of areas will be there, this A and B will be differ. So according to that A and B, your area of different shape of ellipse lies. Okay, so after that, from that only deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. In the given ellipse equation, in place of B, if I take A, right, then it is x square by a square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Take the LCM as a square and send that side. So x square plus y square is equal to a square is a circle equation. Okay, that means in that ellipse equation only wherever B is there I substituted A, then we got our circle equation. Means same in the area of ellipse wherever B is there, if you substitute A you will get area of the circle. Simple. In the ellipse equation in B place we substituted A, then we got circle equation. So in the area of the ellipse wherever B is there, if you substitute A, you will get the area of that circle, particularly x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, so I substituted, then I got this pi into A is a square, square units is the area of the circle, right, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, so this is your problem, most repeated problem, area of the circle. They have given one curve equation. With that, always remember in this problem one thing you have to remember, we have to find the area of the curve y is equal to whatever be the given curve it is, right, try to get y, send all the values other side and y is equal to, that will be the required curve equation. We have to find area covered by that y value. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.